In my centuries on Earth, I have witnessed many human inventions. This one might be my favorite. This is a handy hook, and by the end of this video, you are going to wonder how you ever lived without one. Septic tank lid covers can weigh up to 300 pounds. I have watched humans struggle with these for centuries. With a handy hook, effortless. Steel grates are found everywhere. Roadways, drainage systems, industrial floors. One hook, any grate, no struggle required. Heavy machinery. On my planet, we have technology for this. On yours, you have the handy hook. Honestly, just as good. Now let me tell you what makes this tool exceptional. The ergonomic vinyl grip handle, brightly colored, slip resistant, and shock absorbing. You can operate with two hands, even with gloves on. I have seen a lot of tools. Most handles are an afterthought. This one is not. The extended shaft and balanced weight distribution means your back stays where it belongs, on your body, not in the hands of a chiropractor. The handle and shaft are threaded and welded together. That means no wobbling, no loosening over time, no moment where the tool fails you when you need it most. And made right here in the USA, which is, after centuries of watching human manufacturing, means something. 4 buckets, 1 pallet, 1 hook. I did not break a sweat. Honestly, I never break a sweat, but the point still stands. Now say you need to get that bucket up into the truck bed. Instead of straining your back trying to hoist it up, hook it, lift it, done. I'm over 2,000 years old. I'm not climbing into a truck bed. The handy hook reaches where you cannot, and frankly, where you probably should not either. Now I know what you're thinking. Sure, it works in a shop. Sure, it works in a field, but what else can it do? I'm glad you asked. Pulling roots out of the ground, tree stumps that have absolutely no business still being in your yard, hunters, you already know, and moving day. Nobody's favorite day until now. Now let's talk options, because the handy hook is not one size fits all, and that is by design. The pump hook, your everyday all-purpose option, lifting, pulling, moving. If you are not sure which one you need, start here. The double hook, 2 prongs for balanced lifting and even weight distribution. And just like the pump hook, perfect for manhole covers and septic tank lids. And the single hook, a straighter option for when the job calls for something a little more direct. Available in standard and heavy duty steel, and in lengths from 27 inches to 42 inches. Whatever the job, there's a handy hook for it. Now I've spent a lot of time in shops and job sites, but the handy hook does not stop there. Let me show you something a little different. Farmers have been moving hay by hand for centuries. I know because I watched them do it, but this is better. I have witnessed the construction of the Roman aqueducts. I've watched the Victorians build the London sewer system. I have seen human infrastructure evolve over 2,000 years, and nothing has brought me more joy than this moment. If it have a lip, a handle, or an edge, the handy hook will move it. If you want one of your own, and you know you do, the link is below. Check out our other videos while you are here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.